Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to learn how to sort a list with the sort method in Python. We can use sort method to easily sort a list. If we have for example, list of cars and we want to change the order of the list to store them alphabetically. So let's see if we have cars list and name of cars. And now we can call sort method, and that will be cars dot sort. And now we can print our list and we will have a sorted list. Let's run our code, and here is our sorted list. The sort method changes the order of the list permanently. The cars are now in alphabetical order and we cannot revert to the original order. We can also sort this list in a reverse alphabetical order by passing the argument setting reverse value to true to the sort method. So let's try that. And now we are going to call sort again on car and set reverse to true, and then print cars again. Run our code, and now again we have the order of the list permanently changed. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.